Okay, so we were browsing AI Agent Store again, keeping tabs on the latest tools.
Right.
And one name keeps popping up in the enterprise space, Tonkean. It seems focused on, well, fixing those messy internal processes.
Yeah, exactly. And that's really what we should unpack here. This idea of agentic orchestration. What does that actually mean for teams like, say, legal or procurement?
The ones often buried in requests.
Precisely. They get hit from all sides, cross-functional stuff. Tonki's promise is to streamline all that.
Okay, so the official description is an agentic intake and process orchestration platform. Let's break that down. What's the agentic part doing that's new?
Well, think about regular automation like RPA. It just follows a set path,
Oh,
right?
the script.
Agentic orchestration, though, it means the platform is proactive. It's using AI agents built for these specific high-stakes areas: procurement, legal ops, IT service management.
It's aimed at big companies.
Definitely. Large organizations where compliance and, governance are really critical. The entry point they talk about is the AI front door.
AI front door. Sounds like a smart inbox.
Kind of, yeah. It intelligently guides users, routes requests right from the start. It's not just a dumb form.
So it's not just waiting for someone to fill something out, it's watching things.
That's the leap. Proactive, not reactive. These agents are constantly monitoring data, events across the core systems. Think ERP, CLM, procure-to-pay systems.
And they decide what to do.
Yes, they can identify tasks on their own and then execute complex workflows autonomously without needing a human to say, go.
Okay, so it's sees something needs approval in the ERP and just kicks off the workflow.
Basically, yeah, it removes that human step of even recognizing the need first.
That sounds powerful. But connecting all those systems, ERP, CLM, that's usually a huge headache, right? Does the no-code part really hide all that complexity?
That's a fair question. The no-code builder lets people design the workflow logic, how things should move, who approves what.
Okay.
But it also handles connecting those front-end tools people actually use, like Slack, Teams, email, web forms, to those complex back-end systems.
So it bridges that gap.
It bridges the gap, and crucially, it does it in a way that keeps everything compliant and traceable, which is non-negotiable for, like, big contracts or spending.
Right, okay. Let's make this concrete. Use cases. Where does this really shine in that corporate chaos?
Think about standardizing how purchase requests or contract reviews come in. You know how it is.
Oh, yeah. Starts in Slack, gets emailed around, dies somewhere.
Exactly, that pain point. Tonkean automates the triage. The agent can, like, live in Slack or Teams, see a request, figure out, is this legal, is this procurement, and then launch the correct compliant process automatically.
So it cuts through the channel noise.
And users seem to back this up. We saw feedback saying it grew from just handling legal intake to managing the whole matter lifecycle, even supplier intake. It's flexible. You can apparently program almost any workflow.
Okay, so wrapping this up for you listening, the big value here seems to be visibility, governance, and orchestration.
Right. It provides that structure so these autonomous agents can work safely across all those different tools you have.
Reducing delays, cutting down manual work. That's the promise.
Which leaves us with something to think about. If you have an agent that can act before it's asked, what's a key bottleneck process in your organization right now? One that waits on a human trigger that could use that kind of proactive help?
Interesting question. Something to definitely consider. And if you want to explore more tools like Tonkean, check out aiagentstore.ai.
Good place to start.
And thanks for rating this session. Your feedback really does help us figure out what to look into next time.